many of you have your work profile. So you log in Microsoft Edge with your work stuff, keep everything saved in there. You can also set up additional profiles. So if you were using a computer for both work and personal stuff, you can say set up a new profile, and you can get all your favorites and sign in and stuff on a second profile. So this will keep everything separate between them. So if you have like say passwords and stuff, your work stuff would be in your work one, and your personal stuff would stay in your personal one. To help differentiate these, I often, after getting to this point, it always lets you choose a theme. And so if I'm doing different profiles, I often choose a different theme for my other profile to help keep those obvious to me.